Kia ora, I'm Dr. Kelly Garton from the Faculty of Medical and Health Sciences. I'm an interdisciplinary public health researcher using systems thinking and policy analysis to explore the political economy of ultra-processed foods in Aotearoa, New Zealand. My research investigates how trends in trade, investment, manufacturing, marketing, and consumption of ultra-processed products may be contributing to trends in non-communicable diseases like diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular disease. These products, high in salt, fat, and sugar, and containing industrial additives, increasingly dominate our food systems despite well-documented harm to human health and the environment. Using a systems lens, I examine why ultra-processed food consumption remains high, why policy has lagged, and where the levers for change lie. I am a coordinator of Informus, a global network of food environment researchers, and I co-lead a group developing new methods to monitor international trade, investment, and finance to inform healthier food policy. I'm also engaging with the World Health Organization and other international funders to scale this work further. My vision is to build a world-leading, transdisciplinary research group focused on the intersections of economic policy, food systems, nutrition, and planetary health.